Hello. Okay, so this is my activity. So first, import datetime. So we import datetime so we can get the current year for the age calculator. And in the first function, define a greeting bot. So this is the greeting bot. So it will just in get an input, enter your name, then print hello, then plus hello, then your name, for example, Rob. Then this is just to put ano concatenation to put kanang sana exclamation point and then the uh, age calculator function. So it will ask the birth year of the user and then if birth year is digit, so gets the I make sure the input is one only number, and then birth year it will converts the year the year to an integer, and then it will get the current year is the one we imported. We'll get the current year automatically. Then the age is this is the the calculation. So current year minus the birth year, and then it will print you are example 21 years old. Then the else is if invalid like yung ibutang kay kan kanang delete number. And then the temperature converter na function. Okay, so is input choice, so one or two, and then import input input the temperature, for example, 26 like that, and then if temp dot replace this digit is this checks if the input is a number, including decimals, for example, 36.5. Then if choice is 1, it will calculate the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So temperature times 9 divided 5, then plus 32. And then the result is degrees. And then if the choice is 2, is the it will Fahrenheit to Celsius. So temperature minus 32 times 5 divide 9. Then the result will ano to, ah it will rounds to two decimal places. And then the else is invalid option where this kaning dili 1 ug 2 yung pili sini 3 siya. Then valid temperature if sa yung butang nga temperature basin ga string siya. And then the menu, this is the menu. Then the if else for the menu. For example, if 1, 2, 3, wait, I will demonstrate ang itong run. Tugon lang. There. So I will greeting bot. Turn name Rob. So hello Rob. Then an option again. Number two. So enter your birth year. 2000, let's say 4. Uh, there you are 21 years old. And then the temperature converter number 3. Uh, Celsius to Fahrenheit. So 37 Celsius. 98.6 Fahrenheit. And then again, number two, Fahrenheit to Celsius. Fahrenheit is 110. Oh, 43.33. Grabe ka taas. Matay naman na. And then the exit. So, goodbye. But that's all. Um, thank you.